Okay, so hello guys, good morning. Today is Wednesday and it's my day off, and it's time for me to do my grocery because I no longer have supplies here. No longer have rice, still have bread, still have palaman. So I think I don't know what else I need. Oil. Actually, I already asked Nipo to do a list for me. She already sent it to me, so I will just look it up. So I will take you with me today. I'm gonna be vlogging using my new GoPro Hero 7. This is a lot easier to vlog because the camera is so tiny, so it doesn't attract attention from other people. I can just carry it around and then pretend like I'm not doing videos because I'm still not very confident vlogging in public and I feel awkward with doing that, so this GoPro would definitely be a good help. This is what I actually bring when I do my grocery, because I can just put all the stuff in there, so in that way I don't need to carry it. I can just pull it and it's so much easier. I think everything is set. I'm just gonna This is, by the way, my main camera. This is the Sony a6400 with the Comica microphone and Sigma 16mm 1.4 lens. So I'm just gonna open the window so the air would get inside. I'm ready. I think I'm not forgetting anything. So let's go. Okay, so hello guys, grabe, sobrang lamig, promise. I can't even feel my face and my ear. It's really cold. You might be seeing this as like a really beautiful day, but you can actually feel what I feel right now, man. It's freezing. I can feel my lips and my ear. It hurts so bad. I'll talk to you in a little bit. So ito yung bus pass guys, binibili ko. Okay, so guys, nandito na tayo sa Atlantic Superstore. Wala masyadong tao. Dito kasi it's a requirement to wear a mask. So hindi ka talaga pwedeng pumasok dito nang walang mask. At ito yung I think I've already showed you this during my last video. So, yung gusto ko dito is halos kompleto na at pwede akong bumili nitong chicken. Yung luto na, para di na ako magluluto. So, parang chooks to go. But ito yung gusto ko. So, kumuha din ako ng dalawang sauce. Dipping sauce. Parang gravy ata yan. I think this is okay. So, ito, may mga fruits. Ano pa ba meron dito? Ito. Fruits. Maraming fruits. Now, I've already made a list. So, yung gagawin ko is bibilhin ko na lang yung mga na-list ko na para hindi na ako maka-spend ng unnecessary things na di ko naman kailangan. Kasi gusto kong nagba-budget eh. Kaya try ko yung sarili kong makapag-budget para masanay. So, yan. So, this is the meat section. Beef. So, it's $3. Tabi natin yung hilaw. Ano pa ba? Pork naman. So, medyo mahal yung pork ngayon ah. Tingnan natin sa kabila. Ito. Ito, mura lang. $4.73. So, meron na tayong beef at pork. Chicken. Hindi ko pa nasusubukan tong hotdog na to. So, ito yung chicken guys. I think ito, mas marami. Pwede na to. It's $8.44. So, meron na tayong $30 para sa lahat ng to. Ano pa ba yung kulang ko? I don't know if you can hear me clearly because I'm using a mask, and hopefully you can, but if not, I will try my best to like really enhance the audio. But yeah, let's see what else I will need to buy here. So this is the worldwide section. Nandito lahat yung mga iba't ibang products from all over the world. Ito yung ginagamit ko vegetable oil. So, kailangan ko ng oil at saka need ko din ng beans. Meron ba ako? Corned beef. Dalawa. So, ito is $5.49. Ito, sausage. Ito naman is $1.39. So, kuha tayo ng tatlo. So, mga 40 plus na yung total nito. So, ito yung pinaka-importante kaya ako pumunta talaga dito. Yung bigas nila na 8 kilograms is $18.99. Kukuha tayo ng dalawa nito. Kailangan ko ng dalawa para meron akong reserva lagi. Meron ding instant noodles. Di ko lang alam paano lutuin tong mga ganito pero nakikita ko to sa Pilipinas. Kuha din tayo nito. Now, I need a sabon pangligo. And then, yan lang yung need ko daming chocolate dito Kalimutan ko anong chocolate yung gusto ni Mipo. Sobrang dami. Candies and chocolates, lahat yan. Hershey, hindi yun Hershey. Hershey yung gusto ni Mipo. Hindi yun Snickers, but Hershey. Wala dito, kaya... Pero bawal na yun siya mag-chocolate dapat Bone marrow. Bibili tayo ng pang-ingredients nito. Tapos wala na talaga, tapos na talaga lahat. Ito lang yung kulang ko, sabong panligo na lang. Dove Men. This is 3 packs and it's $6. So it's like $2 each. Tapos meron pa yung tax. Wait, balik muna tayo sa vegetable area. Kuha lang ako ng pang nitong beef. Ito. So meron pa akong grapes. Hindi ko pa need niyan. Product of the US, kaya pala sobrang mahal. And I think I'm done. So diretso na ako. Hindi, saglit lang. Balik muna ako dito sa chicken. Wala tayong isa pa nito. Okay, so I'm done with all the stuff that I need and more. Bayad na tayo. Tingnan natin kung magkano lahat to. So my budget is only $100. I'm not sure if lagpas to sa budget ko. Tingnan natin. Dati nung di pa ako nagpa-budget, Nag-grocery ako dito. Maabot ng mga $200 yung gasta ko. Kasi hindi ko tinitingnan minsan yung ano eh, kung ano na yung ano lang yung kailangan kasi ang dami mong mabibili. So ngayon magba-budget na ako. Medyo nag-over pa rin ako sa budget ko, but at least hindi na masyado.
You have your own bag today? You don't have your own bag?
No. $123.61 for all this stuff that I bought. Well, I spent over my budget for $26, but that's okay because I got already 2 sacks, 8 kilograms of rice. So I'm good with that. Now, it's time to go home. Okay, so I packed it all up here. Para isahan na lang yung dadalhin ko. Yes, so dadalhin ko pa rin. Yeah, mahirap mag-video. So, I'll just talk to you in a few minutes after I get the taxi. Okay, so hello guys. I just tried that kanang Google Earth transition, and I think it's cool. By the way, I'm done with my grocery. I also put them on in my ref and all the stuffs that I bought. So I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching the video until this point, and I appreciate it. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. My name is Renz nga pala, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next vlog. Have a great day. Bye.